up there, Bridger. No pushing any buttons. No, no. No pushing any buttons. Last thing I need is this thing to take off, Bridger. Can you drive though? Steer it. There you go.
Beep beep.
Beep beep. What else? Down to see the horses again. Can you help? Can you hold my hand? No pressing any buttons. What's the horsey say, Bridger? Are you doing a dance for the horses? Can you sing a song for them? What song do you think the horses would like to hear? Do you think they'd like Twinkle Twinkle? Hmm? What color are the horses?
Black.
All right. What about this one? What color is this horse? You think he's brown? Is that a baby horse?
Baby horse.
Looks like he's still eating his lunch. Did he sneeze? Did you say bless you?
Yay, baby horse.
Did he go? What's the horsey say? You tell me. He likes your singing, Bridger. He wants you to sing more Twinkle Twinkle.
A, B, C.
Oh, you want to sing the ABC song?
No.
Do you want to sing...
You want to come say hi to them?
You want to come say hi to the horse?